and read. A person's birthday is a special day. This is the date when the person was born. People around the world celebrate birthdays in different ways. In many countries, people celebrate with a cake. There are candles on the cake. There is one candle for each year of the person's life. People sing a song for a person. At the end of the song, the person blows out the candles. In some countries, there is often a party for a child's birthday. The child's friends come to the home. There is a special food like sweets. The children play games and sing. The friends often bring a birthday gift for the child. The gifts are wrapped in colorful paper. The gift may be a toy, a book, or some clothes. In some countries, the friends don't bring gifts. The most important thing is to enjoy the day and spend time with friends and family. Read and say from Activity A of your textbook. If you want to listen again, then click on the button. Read from Activity A. Fill in the gaps with suitable words.
In many countries, people celebrate their birthdays with a cake. At the end of the song, the person blows out the candles. The child's friends come to home for the party. The children play games and sing. The birthday gifts are wrapped in colorful paper.
Track the items from the shelf to the table that we use in a birthday party.